Hello, adventurers. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Sawyer.
And I'm Danny.
Together we are
McPeek
Adventures.
Adventures.
It is the holiday season here in Tulsa, Oklahoma, so we are continuing our travels to do all things holiday fun. Where are we, Danny?
We are at the Tulsa Fairgrounds. We are going into the SageNet building, which is, I think, the biggest building they have on this piece of property. But it's the one that has the big golden driller statue, and we are doing the Nutcracker Festival today.
That's right, the Nutcracker Festival. Let's go adventuring.
So we are walking up to the SageNet Center, and this is the view. So we parked on the front side of the building. And there he is. All right, here we go. We're gonna get our tickets.
Ready, yes.
All right. What do we have here? Some merch, it looks like. Aww. This guy's so cute and fuzzy.
I went nuts at the Nutcracker Festival.
So the Tulsa Ballet is one of the sponsors for this event, so they have merch here.
Does it actually work? Oh, that is sweet.
That's awesome.
I was not expecting that. That's so cool.
Oh, that one's awesome.
There's a snow globe hat. That's wild. All right, check this out. It's literally a nutcracker behind us, life size.
That's awesome. I'll take a picture with them. Ooh, that's pretty. What'd you say? I like it. It's a candle holder. Santa's Workshop.
This is the iceless skating rink.
Cute. Thank you.
Look at this. Caramels.
Look at this. It's the Tulsa Jeweler.
The roadside attractions. What do we got here? Oh, I wish I could see the blue whale. He's kind of in there. The Tulsa Ballet is the sponsor for this event. That is a giant gingerbread inflatable. It's the biggest reindeer I've seen all day. I think we're gonna go exploring through the shopping area. What do you think Christmas morning smells
I
like?
feel like it might smell like maple syrup and candy cane.
It smells just like it.
It does smell like Christmas.
That smells
morning.
good. What about Christmas in the country? Hey dear,
Hey, what?
have you ever smelled Santa's butt?
Get out of here.
Christmas crack.
Get out of here. Oh, those are cute.
That's a fun
The
idea.
gingerbread house down there.
I like this guy.
You want it?
Oh, he's got a sword and everything. Oh, that's really fun.
Joy to the world, all the boys and girls jumping fishes. Joy to the fishes in the deep blue sea. Joy to you and me.
I get to go see Santa.
Hi, Santa!
Have you been good this year?
Well, I've been good.
Yeah.
Well, I'm always good. I'm Santa.
I mean, I was hoping that's what you would say.
Well, of course. The question is whether you've been good.
Just a little bit.
Yeah. Well, you've still got time, right?
Yeah.
It's only all the way to the 25th.
Okay.
All right. Merry
All
Christmas.
right. Merry
Thanks,
Christmas.
Santa.
Thank you, Santa.
Adventurers, this concludes our time here at the Tulsa Nutcracker Festival.
Shop till it dropped, y'all. But if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more of our content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media platforms.
We'll see you on our next adventure!